Just trying to find the holes here. Tighten the first one a little bit, halfway, and I'll work on the back one. Sometimes it helps pull his wire up. That hose, sorry. Go back to the front one. Just kind of tighten them down evenly. If you're using a new distributor cap and you have your old screws and that's all you're replacing, you're probably best to use the old screws. This distributor had a nice metal base, so I don't have to worry about stripping the holes as easy. Now we just start finding our wires and plugging them back in. So I'll start with 6. Oops, I lost it. And this one's 2. I always give them a good twist when I put them on. And my last one, number 4. This wire goes from the injector or the ignition coil. And then we trace these ones. So I see number 1 here is in the middle. Oh, yeah, there we go. And this guy's number... What do we got here? 3. It's a super tight space when you're working with all this stuff. In the Chevy 4.3. Oops, sorry. Probably a good idea to put that one on first, number 3. Next time, and it'd be easier to get at. Alright. And one more wire, which is down low. And we'll just verify, make sure that's number 5. go on much easier when there's nothing in the way. That's your distributor and wire setup.